Welcome. This particular video is August 17th, 2016, New York State Common Core, problem number 1. Basically, we're looking at a graph. It says the graph below shows the distance in miles m hiked from a camp in h hours. Okay, we always need to look at our axes so we know what the graph is talking about, including the units. So this is saying it's in miles, which is on the y-axis, and hours, which is on the x-axis. We have here, it says, which hourly interval had the greatest rate of change? Okay, New York State Common Core, they like to use rate of change or average rate of change, but that just means slope. Okay, how much is the graph changing? So let's just jump right in, okay, and we're basically just calculating slope. Okay, for number 1, it says, in essence, calculate the slope between hour 0 and hour 1. So we know, let's just say this is for question answer number 1, the slope equals rise over run. Okay, so we're starting at 0 and going to 1. Okay, so the rise is 1, 2. Notice that we're using the scale. So the rise is 2 over, and then we have to go over 1. So the slope at that point is 2. Let's just go right through these. Hour between 1 and 2, so we go here, 1 between 1 and 2. So our rise from here to here is 1, 2, 3, and the run is 1, 2. So this one is going to be the slope equals 3 over 2. For the third one, from 2 to 3, we go over here, 2 to 3. From this point to this point, the rise is 1, 2, and the run is 1, 2. So there, the slope equals 2 over 2. And then for the final one, from 3 to 4, we have from 3 to 4, we have a rise of 1 and a run of 2. Again, rise 1, run 2. So here we have the slope equals 1 over 2. So it says the greatest rate of change. So we have 2, this is 1.5, this is 1, and this is 0.5. Okay, so clearly this is the greatest rate of change. There could be other problems where it might be going down at a significant rate of change. Okay, so this just said the greatest rate of change. In this case, they all happen to be positive, so it's relatively straightforward. 2 is going to be their answer. I'm sorry, 2 is the slope of the final answer, which is 1.